Next exercise, like I said, is the heavy sandbag. So heavy is relative. To me, heavy is this bag, 245 pound sandbag. Okay, this is a great for overall hand strength, body strength, mental strength. This is probably one of the hardest exercises of today. This is brutal, okay? What I do is pick it up, try to grind it out up onto my shoulder. Now I've done 5 reps with it, again with no time limit. So I'm up in the game with me by putting 90 seconds on the clock, see how many I can do. Another thing that's great about a sandbag is sand is cheap, free. I live near sand dunes and they let me have access to it, so it's free, but relatively cheap if you want to go buy it at a Home Depot or hardware store. I got these old Army duffel bags from either Craigslist, eBay, or Amazon may sell them. They're pretty durable. So what I do is I get construction bags, put like 3 or 4 of them inside this duffel bag, loaded up with sand. Those come in 50-pound bags. So you can start off with 50 pounds, 100 pounds, work your way up. Anyways, if this is all you can get, let's say you live in an apartment, you don't have a garage to have all this stuff, you can't drop weights on your floor for obvious reasons, a sandbag won't do much damage even if it lands on your foot. If this is all you have, you can get a serious body as far as strength, okay? Physical strength, just strength, it's hard to explain, but just that power, man, from inside, because this is a tough workout with the sandbags. It makes deadlifting easy, okay? So, anyways, what I'm gonna do is go to 90 seconds, see how many times I can get this thing up on my shoulder, drop it, lift it, shoulder. Watch out, buddy. Seeing stars with that one. 2. Just try to pass the sand. That was tough to flip it on that one. Time. I really thought I had that third one. Getting that flip is right. The power off your hips. You can't lose that power. It's another thing. Not just the strength, but the quickness of that snap. If you ain't got your full strength, it's tough. But I'm actually happy with that. I was hoping to get to 3. I felt like 3 in 90 seconds. It's heavy weight. Again, for me. Some out there that probably look at this and be like, oh, I could bang out 30 of those. Great for you. But there's also some, this is heavy. Me, maybe you're not at this level yet. But you know, I'm not on this channel to promote, you know, that I'm the strongest man. I'm just a normal guy trying to be the strongest that I can be. And this is what I'm at, you know? So everybody's got their different strengths, different weaknesses. I just encourage you to try to find out what your strength is in the strength world. You know, it could be many things. But I do think it's a terrible thing to really go your whole life and not know how strong you actually could have been. One thing I don't want to ever be is 70-year-old man sitting down and they're like, huh, I never tried that, you know, when it comes to strength. I like to know how strong was I, you know? So anyways, I encourage people to do that too, man. See how strong you can be doing different things. You don't want to be sitting around thinking, man, I wonder how strong I could have been, or I wonder if I could have lifted that. You don't know unless you try. So anyways, sandbags. They're an easy way to test that strength. They're cheap, they're relatively safe. You can do it if you live in a third-story apartment of any building, because again, maybe your neighbors will care about the thumping, but it's not really gonna ruin anything, okay? So, you have no excuse. Can't go to the gym because of COVID. You don't have a garage to make a home gym, but with a sandbag, you kind of don't need either one of those, no matter where you live. Get a sandbag, and there's lots of things you can do with it. You saw what I did. You can deadlift it, lighter ones for overhead pressing, throw it up on your shoulders, squat it, hug it, front squat it, walk with it. Try going for a 20-minute walk with a 100-pound sandbag. That'll wreck you. Curl with it, tricep, I mean, whatever. Your imagination is the limit. Anything that you can do in the gym, you can do with this, and this is gonna make whatever that is harder. Trust me. All right, I've been talking too much. I only did 2 of these in the 90 seconds, but you know the drill. I still got 3 more to do. Yes. That one was ugly, but I'm gonna count it. Oh man. All right. For today's workout, those 1, 2, 3, 4 movements. Pretty much everything gets hit in those movements. But it's not just about muscle isolation, you know, oh, I hit my shoulders with that movement or my back with that movement. It's not bodybuilding. It's I guess body testing, will building, strength building. And yeah, is your body gonna build? I guess, of course it is. It's the muscles that pick this up. As long as you get stronger, you're getting bigger. Another video we'll do in the soon future is on nutrition. If you want to gain weight, how to eat to gain weight. I'll give you a hint, just eat more. You want to lose weight? That one's a tough one. It's like a big secret in the world. It's one of those things that man has been trying to discover since the dawn of man. That's actually a joke, being sarcastic. The secret on how to lose weight I'm gonna share that with you guys in another video. Anyways, like I said, that's today's workout. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, stay strong.